Hey everyone, in this video, I will tell you how you guys can disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. It will help me to grow on this platform. Let's start. Open your Instagram app, click on your profile, select the setting, then click on accounts, then click on sharing to other apps. Now, see here, our Instagram account is connected with Facebook account, which is in blue color. I will show you. Click on Facebook, which is in blue color. After clicking in it, there is an option Account Center, which is in blue color. Just click in it. Now, click on Accounts. After clicking this, first one is my Facebook account and second one is my Instagram account. So friends, we want to disconnect Instagram account to Facebook account. So, we click remove on Facebook account and then continue. Then remove SK add-on. Your account disconnect from Facebook account and it's done. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.